Hi, this is Justice. You probably recognize me from the new features video. I am going to show you real quickly how to get Rebelle 8 at the correct upgrade price. Okay, so let's quickly go over here. We're going to not go into the shop, but we're going to go into your account and log in. Notice that when you hover over your account, you see my account. Now when you go into the shop, you're going to see Rebelle 8 Pro upgrade. This is where you get the upgrade price. Now this is the price for anyone who has purchased Rebelle 7 Pro. If you purchased Rebelle in the last couple months, you may see that this has already been added. You can go into my account, click on purchases, and if you have it, it should be over here already. That would be if you made a purchase of Rebelle 7 Pro in the last month or two. Now I just posted a video on my YouTube channel showing some new free bristle brushes you can get on my Discord channel. The Discord is the Rebelle, it's a fan-hosted community site for Rebelle. So click over, watch that video next so you can get those free brushes. If you have questions about Rebelle 8 or Rebelle 7, the Discord channel has a well-trained AI bot that can instantly answer almost all of your questions about Rebelle. And if it can't, then a number of the community members, including myself who are there, can do that for you. Now, some of you probably have questions on the new license. Is this a subscription or moving towards a subscription? And I'll say it's definitely not in a subscription model. You can't use the software when you stop paying. On this one, you can forever use your software when you're if you only buy it once. It's yours forever. That is the definition of not subscription. So what they're actually doing is more generous than what they've done in the past. This new license model allows them to release new features when the features are ready and not have to hold on to those features in order to sell you an upgrade in the future. So you will have, if you buy early access today, you'll have 1 year of free updates starting on the official release date, which is supposed to be sometime in September. So if you guys are concerned about it, please don't be. They are not they're not Adobe. Okay. They're a wonderful company and they actually care about the users, which is why they've been making the versions ever more user friendly and working with the community in order to make the product better and better. Okay, I hope that assuages some fears. I don't know if I used that right. I think. Till next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.